Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing the accelerator pedal on this VW Golf. This one is 2005 model. So the reason why we are changing it is because of this. So the pedal just snapped from the pivot. Um, so someone just repaired it temporarily. Okay, so what they did is they secured it with cable ties. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this cover just here. Okay, so once we remove this dust cap, right friends, in order to remove the bolt, we're gonna be using TX30 bit. There we go, that's the small bolt been removed. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna have two flathead screwdrivers which we're gonna slide here. One we're gonna slide in here, okay, like that, here, and the other one we're gonna slide here, okay, and that should release the pedal off the floor. Okay, so we've done this side. So as I mentioned, I've already released the left hand side, okay, with the flathead screwdriver. On the right hand side I'm just gonna use there we go. So what I did is I didn't use a flathead, I just used a thin Phillips screwdriver, and there we go friends. That's the whole accelerator pedal off the floor. Right friends, in order to disconnect this harness here, so what we did is I just gonna show you what I did. So what I did is I just pulled this trim out this way, like this. Okay, so I've just taken the whole trim out, just taken it off, and then what you do is a small flathead screwdriver or the Phillips, just slide it in here, like this. There we go, that's how the harness gets disconnected. Okay, so you have to remove this trim here. This is the trim which goes here, like this. Okay, there we go, that's the trim. You'll have to pull out to make your life easy, and then as I mentioned, you just slide the small screwdriver in this slot here, and that's how the harness just comes off. So we've got the replacement part here. So this is a broken one, this is the new replacement part. So the way we're gonna fit it is we're gonna connect the harness first. It's gonna, it's a bit tricky doing it with one hand. So what we're gonna do here is just gonna slide in the connector. There we go, hear the click. So that's the connector pushed in completely. Then what we do is just gonna clip it down to the base, like this. Hear the click. And the last bit we're gonna do is to secure the bolt just here. So we're gonna use T30 to secure it. There we go, friends. That's nice and tight all the way. Just gonna put the dust cap back on like this. Okay friends, there we go. That's the throttle accelerator pedal fitted in no time. Thank you very much for watching the video.